Yeah. Alright, so heater's in here. It says 53. We got it set to 90. Don't know if it's gonna get that warm in here, but we do have a bake lamp paint. Might kick that on for about an hour or so, help warm the room up. We're gonna go get the car, bring it up, do a last once over, clean everything up, and we degrease it, bring it in, degrease it, and get ready. Tape everything up. Back up. Bring the car up outside, hit it with a pressure washer one more time, get it dusting all the stuff off, wipe it down, then we tape all the wires and stuff up and all the hoses, and we don't want primer get none. Then we degrease the engine bay, and then we're gonna shoot the first coat of primer. So let's get to it. So we're gonna paint the engine bay with Celica. You guys come in closer, show you something real quick. All this dirt gotta go. We gotta take this out, clean it up. He's taping up the lines right now. So the AC or heater lines, only two. But we got all this dust. We gotta get out of here. We gotta take the windshield wiper stuff off. So the goal is to get it primed today. We'll see. But I thought he had made, more progress on this. I was a supervisor, but yeah, I'm gonna clean it up as best as I can and go from there. We got the car in. When I did my 240, I had everything hanging from the ceiling. I'm going to do the same thing here and start taping everything up. Do one last cleaning, check everything again, and then we can go ahead and mix the primer and get ready to do this. So you get some string. I don't want to use too many zip ties, and just get everything hanging from up here. Yeah, I start taping the lines and everything else up. do something unconventional. This car's been sitting outside for a year. I think we got most of the dirt out. Cleaned up. Everything is taped up. No, we don't want primer and paint to get on. I'm gonna hit this bad boy with some thinner. Wipe it down again. Then we're gonna use the degreaser. Somebody got this on stream. There we go. So, hey, y'all come behind me and wipe this off. Okay. Then we put some degrease in the bottle and go from there.
What we got here, man?
All right, we got some mask filters because I can keep my friend Lola off my back. Every time she see me doing this, I get a message, where's your mask? So Lolo, there you go. They got new filters. Pop them in. Right. So callers don't usually use these, but I like to use them because it keeps the paint out of the rim of the can. You get these at Lowe's for like $5.
Much pleasure thou canst give me, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright. There's only splendor for the sight. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Thy candle shines so brightly.
Okay, I just degreased all of it. Waiting on them to get back. Siren Blaze, aka Arthur, he's gonna be starting on his bumper, bring his camera and all that fun stuff. Stop touching. And Dad's gonna, Altarky is gonna mix the paint up, let all this do its thing, and then he's gonna get in a paint can, mix it up, and spray. Okay, so while we wait on Altarky and Silent Blaze to get their stuff and come back, I'm going to be explaining to you guys, I entirely forgot to degrease my gauge cluster, which I also planned on painting today. But yeah, I'm going to be painting the gauge cluster, hopefully the dashboard and the engine bay. Most certainly the engine bay is going to go first, then the gauge cluster, and then maybe the dashboard. For those wondering what's going on with my bumper, we saw the opportunity to bring this in, so we're bringing this in. That's what's going on with that. With the G35 rear bumper, the same difference. We're just bringing this in, gonna get this painted, covered up, and then we slap this boy back outside, which kind of makes me sad, but it's whatever at this point. So that's what's going on with all that, and let's have some fun and let's get the spray in.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a